Our third type of reaction is called single displacement reaction. So they're chemical changes that involve an element and a compound as reactants. So this little piece here is my element. Compounds are two or more elements, so that means two puzzle pieces versus one puzzle piece. And it says one element displaces or replaces another element from the compound. So what's happening is this yellow one, instead of being here, it's going to go over here. And that's what we see here. So it's almost like the blue and the green switch spots. So instead of having A plus BC, we have AC plus B. So what happens, it's always the metals. The metals are the ones that switch. Okay, so you have your single element is just switching with the other single element. So if we wanted to write it out like a formula, it would be A plus BC is equal to AC plus B. The big thing here to look for is that you have a single element switching spots with one of the things in the compound. So let's do an example. I have magnesium plus silver nitrate is going to give me silver plus magnesium nitrate. What's happened is the magnesium and the silver have switched spots. So the silver comes over here, so it's by itself, and the magnesium comes over here and becomes the new compound. So if you were to write out a balanced equation, well, first thing, we already have our word equation, so now let's just write out our formulas. Magnesium is just Mg. Silver nitrate, I need to figure that out. So I'm just going to write a little bit lower to work that one out. So silver is Ag, and with a 1 plus charge. Nitrogen or nitrate is NO3, and it has a 1 minus charge. We do the crisscross, that comes down, and I end up with AgNO3. So there's my formula. So I'm going to write that down up here. And that produces silver. Silver is just Ag plus magnesium nitrate. Well, I need to figure out the formula for magnesium nitrate now. So magnesium is just Mg. It has a 2 plus charge. Nitrate we know is NO3. It has a 1 minus charge. The 1 comes down here. The 2 comes down here. So I end up with Mg bracket NO3, and that has a 2. So I'm going to write that in now. Last step, we have to balance. Well, when I look here, I have 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium. I have 1 silver, 1 silver. However, I have 1 nitrogen here, and because of this bracket and little 2 down here, I have 2 nitrogens. So what I need to do is put a 2 out in front here. And when I do that, I now have 6 oxygens on this side, but I also have 6 oxygens on this side. You always have to double check, because sometimes when you put a coefficient in, it messes other things up. Magnesium still balances, but now I have 2 silver on this side and only 1 silver on this side. So my final step is to put another 2 there. So now I have a balanced chemical reaction that's showing synthesis, where this metal just switch spots with this metal.